Hey y'all. Okay, so it's QueenMeek. Yeah, I'm back. So today I'm going to do a quick little snack type thing or whatever you want to call it. So pasta salad. So pasta salad basically is something simple. It usually is my go-to. I haven't made it in a long time, so I'm like I might as well make it, and I have the taste for it for some reason. So I start using the veggie whatchamajiggets. So it's not necessarily pasta. It's basically vegetables grinded up and made into pasta, which is so good. So I already had a bag, so I'm gonna use some of this first. Broccoli florets. I use Roma tomatoes. You can use the other tomatoes if you want. Cucumbers. What else? I got shrimp boiling right now. And then also my Italian zesty. Ooh, let me see. It's Italian dressing and it's zest. Alright, so first what you need to do is dice up your vegetables. Okay, you still see my little scarf or whatever too. So I know I need to get some more knives, so don't say nothing while I'm chopping this up because I know I need better knives. Alright, okay. Like it's just so irritating. And so basically what we have to do is just chop up the cucumbers, dice them as good as you can. I depending on the knife and stuff, the better it is. But of course, actually this knife wasn't too bad for these cucumbers. Like I did a great fucking job at dicing these up, if I do say so my motherfucking self. But and now I really know that I need to get me a better knife because these tomatoes, like it definitely was a little bit more difficult. So I have to use like the sharper knife. I forgot what it's called. I think that's like a paring knife or some. I don't know. My sister in culinary school, so she be knowing what I be talking about. But it was a little bit more difficult. I almost feel like I was gonna cut my dang own finger every time I use this knife, anyways. And then you just gotta mix all of the stuff as you're going. Basically, I think I used about 6 Roma tomatoes in order to put it up in here, and um, yeah, I just made it like spread throughout the whole little um pasta salad dish, so it actually worked out for your girl. And lastly, what I did was just cut up the broccoli florets and try to make them as small as possible so that I can have them in there. You don't want nobody choking on them, so you want them as small as possible as well. This is the cucumbers, the broccoli, and the tomatoes. So I'm going to rinse these and then we'll be back. Gee, no lie. The last step was gonna be me mixing the Italian dressing and my shrimp. And guess what? My dang on camera cut off. And I'm like, why would you cut off while I'm doing the most important part? The mixing, G. So, yeah, it cut off on me, but. So, for some reason, the video got cut off. Yeah, I don't even know how or why, but. Yeah. Anywho. Basically I mixed up everything, and this is how it looks after mixing and just eyeballing the seasoning, the Italian dressing and all of that stuff. So I feel like it's done. Make it look pretty. And it's gonna look pretty. I'm hungry. Pretty my ass. Ooh, God, it's hot, man. Okay, calm down. Baby boy, baby girl. And I feel like this is something good and healthy. Literally, my whole family is tired of us making pasta salad because we make it for every holiday. I'm bringing this shit back. They finna be bad. Yep, I miss this shit. Alright. So, this is my little snack. Like I said, it's not necessarily a dish. This is something that I make I used to always make all the time. I stopped making it. Might get back to making it again because it's something quick, it's simple, it's healthy. I feel like it. Maybe not so much with all the Italian dressing that I put in there, but YOLO, it's my life. I live it, okay, and will. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, and let me know what other type of like vegetarian dishes and snacks and stuff that y'all make so I can put it on my list because you know I can cook. Not really, I can't cook. Like I can cook somewhat-ish. So, yeah. Bye.